Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to talk about the port security feature, and the feature is very great. It is applied almost on every company because it protects from the accessing of the how can I say, unknown end device against the laptop. For example, like this is the legal device that I assign the MAC address of the switch that I can access transfer data between this link. And this is, for example, this is the I can say illegal, okay, illegal, something like that, illegal PC that is unplugged. For example, this is what it connects to the F0/0 port here, and this one is the bad guy. They want to access the switch too, and it just unplug the F0/0 here, okay, and then plugs his or her PC into the F0/0 here. So if I don't apply the port security, this guy can access to the switch and to the network in the upstream, something like that. So that if we apply the port security, the switch is gonna check the MAC address of the PC, which the MAC if you see that the MAC address is unknown, it will drop the packet. It will block the port, something like that. Okay, so this is the concept of the port security. I'm going to demo a lab for you. Okay, for example, like I connect to first I would like to create a VLAN first. For example, I can say VLAN 1 here, IP address 10.0.10.1. Okay, just for example, and I'm going to choose a port here. So I suppose to choose a port F0/1 here. Okay, interface F0/1 here. I'm gonna enable the switch port security. The first, the first thing is you can see the log here. The command is reject because of this dynamic port. I mean, this port is not the access port or the how can I say, this is not really an access port or trunk port. It's just a dynamic auto by default, so we have to change it to the one specific port. So we have to say switch port mode access first. Okay, and then I'm going to say switch port security. Okay, after we apply that, we have many options about that. We can apply the kind of the we want to specify about the MAC address. Okay, wait, this is the maximum. So when I say the MAC address here, MAC address, we can, I'm sorry, this one we have two options. We can apply the MAC address directly through the switch interface, or we can use the sticky one. Sticky, so the first one is mean that we know we have to manually input the MAC address or the PC that we want to allow to put on that to send the traffic through that port. Okay, so the first one is a little bit hard for the administrator because he gonna put the edge of the MAC address of the PC. It's not a good work at all. So that's why another option is very great. It's sticky. So I'm going to do sticky in this lab. Okay, so sticky means like if the PC, the legal PC that we want to connect to, it's going to copy that PC through the to the port automatically without having to manually input the MAC address. So in this case, I'm going to put the sticky here. Okay, sticky, and the switch port security again. I'm going to say maximum. I'm going to only allow one. That port only reserved for the one legal MAC address. Okay, and violation is to say if there is a violation, a call, I mean the wrong MAC address put in that port, what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna shut down that port. Okay, shut down. So as you can see, I use the sticky method. So it's gonna be like this. When I get we are getting to the F0/1 here, and 10.0.10.100 0. Okay, something like that. So when I try to ping to 10.0.10.1 here. As you can see, I get the reply from the switch. Okay, and I'm gonna show port security interface F0/1 here. That's it. And as you can see is that yeah, we as the moment we use a sticky MAC address, and get this one is locked now, and this is stick this MAC address into the configuration. You can see. So run. As you can see, this stick this MAC address automatically. You don't have to manually import it. Okay. So right now I'm going to unplug the part. I'm sorry, no. Okay, I just use this part to connect to this PC. We had the different MAC address. The first MAC address is this one, and now this is another MAC address here. Okay, so as you can see that we can connect now. When I try to ping, all right, for example, like this one is 10.0.10.200 here, 0 here. Okay, but now I try to ping to the switch. As you can see that not even ping yet, but the port is now down. You can see because of different MAC address. You can see the lock and the switch here. You can see that wait, here you can see that the first one is fast Ethernet is up, and then it's gonna say fast Ethernet F1 is down here. It's down. Okay, because of the MAC address. I'm gonna show interface F0/1 here. So you can see that this is the state of the error disable state. It means that this port is in the error disable state port, which caused by the port security violations. Okay, so this feature is very useful if you're gonna protect from accessing of the end device like I said a moment. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you very much.